All right, so we've got a brand new set of the headliner model of Meta Ray-Bans, and today we're gonna try them out for our first time together. Nice little case that they come in, and the box, but I always find it's tricky to do these unboxing. Okay, there's some sort of arrow. Why are they so hard to get out? There we go. That's what we're dealing with. Oh, they're already starting to talk. Now we can take off my trusty broken glasses. They're pretty sleek. Let's try those babies on. Stylistically, I think we're looking pretty cool. Lets you know when it's green there. Now what else do we have in here? Oh, these boxes are so tight to get anything out. We're probably gonna blow everything up. Okay, well that was a lot of work just for this. Is there anything else in this box? Doesn't look like it. So we're done on the boxing. So there's a power switch, capture button, camera, touchpad, capture LED, the speakers, microphone, and notification LED. Looks like USB-C charging port. Now I guess we got to download the app. All right, we've logged in. Obviously I had to go off camera for that because don't want to get hacked. That's always smart when you're making content. Don't be putting in usernames and passwords in front of everyone. Select the Ray-Ban Meta. Remove the protective tab and leave the glasses inside the case. Wait 30 seconds for the LED case to turn blue. If the case LED does not turn blue, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case for 5 seconds. So they go back into the case. This is the pairing button. And she's blue. Let's connect. Pair it. Activating. Allow, downloading an update. Well, we got 3 minutes remaining, so I'll see you back here in a minute. We're almost done the update. It's just rebooting the glasses. That's definitely the first time I've ever had anything like that with my glasses. Normally they're just, you know, standard issue, regular seeing glasses, even though I didn't get the prescription, but it's nice that they did leave a little QR code and said you want smart glasses with prescription lenses. Scan the QR code to find a list of participating locations. I thought this reboot was going to be a little bit faster. It's really taking its time. Sure. Normally I'm not so quick to just accept every notification. I like to take a deep look, but obviously we're making this video, so we're trying to move a little more efficiently. Learning the basics. Put on your glasses. The hard part is getting them out of here. Because there's a little magnet. It's sucking them down. Ooh, a little bit of music in the ears. We'll see if you can hear that on the microphone. Press the button once to capture a photo. Check, check. Press and hold the capture button to start recording. And again to stop. Play the music. Tap the touchpad once. Whoa. It's honestly pretty great music quality because you don't have anything in your ears or over it, but you can hear it. I'm gonna have to ask my fiance if she can hear it while I'm jamming out. Swipe forward to turn up the volume. It's not even full volume. Then swipe backward to go volume down. Now we can continue to explore how we're going to use these babies. Enable Meta AI. Get assistance from AI, you're in control, and help improve. Why not? Let's go, Mark Zuckerberg. We'll give you everything. One day I just want you to come on the podcast once I get there. Store voice recordings. Sure. Turn on location features. Sure. We'll use it while we're using the app. Okay, let's change it to always. Say, hey Meta, what's the tallest building in the world?
The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters.
Saying the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, standing at 825 meters. Wow, that's pretty sweet. How long did it take to build?
Construction of the Burj Khalifa began in January 2004 and took about 6 years to complete.
Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a white surface with various items on it, including sunglasses case, phone, and packaging materials.
Very good. Great job. You can now customize your Meta AI experience, button controls and video length, and camera features in settings anytime. What do we got here? We got connect your music apps, communicate hands-free, customize voice settings. I didn't really like the AI person we had.
You can choose. You can always change it later in settings. Here's one of the voices you can choose.
So I guess when you're choosing an AI voice, what kind of voices do you guys like to go with? I think I tend to enjoy the feminine. I hear my voice all the time, so it's nice to hear something that's a little softer. Speaking rate, you can go faster, slower. We're gonna go with high, number 2. I set this app up on a secondary phone, so I'm not gonna get too crazy getting logged into everything. I don't need Instagram notifications in my glasses, I don't think. Get ready to capture. Don't forget, respect people's privacy. Let that LED light shine. Show others the capture LED when recording so you won't surprise them. It'd be kind of sick if there was like a little heads up information that you could read when asking Meta AI, but I think that's probably gonna be in the next few generations. Okay, so I don't think there's too much more to really go into other than that. So obviously, I think there's some live streaming functionalities. It'll connect to some of your apps, obviously music, the Calm one for meditation, and that'll be interesting to see what that's about. I think for now, it's so new to me, I don't even know what to do. I gotta take it out into the wild and kind of check in on what's the video quality like, what's the audio quality like, how do I use them actually, other than just taking little video clips. But my intention here is to take you guys on the adventure with me, and instead of me having to bust out my camera and try and be aware of that, I plan on just giving you the first person Tom view. Throughout the day, I'll capture and show you some things that I'll edit into this video, and we can give you a little bit more of a breakdown on how some of these features work. Oh, she's cold.
Really what the problem is? That Americans aren't willing to do jobs?
Now it's doing a video. Oh, hello, mister. There's like softer little sections, and I think he likes that. To be honest, I think he's loving it. I don't know which camera's working though. That's the crazy thing. Are those too much to go all the time?
Just get my little lines, and then they know what
Yeah,
to
this
put in
is-
every little box, so everything is really detailed for you.
It's a freaky number.
Right?
Jeez. So after a day of running around, doing errands, testing out the sunglasses, I think I've come to the consensus, and I already have because it's in the video, that I'm gonna upgrade the lenses to prescription transitions so I can wear them all the time. I just thought it was a little weird if I was wearing sunglasses around the mall, inside, trying to make videos of my daily life. So we've really liked what we've seen so far, and I think they're worth a solid test in life to see if we can make our YouTube channel a little more entertaining. The other thing I really liked is when you're dealing with the AI, it saves everything that you ask it to your phone so you can reference this stuff later. So maybe if I see something that's inspirational or maybe something that I want to reference for a design later for a client, I can ask the glasses to take a picture and reference that later. We're gonna see what we can do with these. I plan on integrating them into our content in some form or fashion, and we'll have to stay tuned and see how this all comes together. But right now, I definitely see the potential in these. The super thick arms, I'm not loving, so I ordered another pair of more traditional glasses to go with them. But I think for the purposes of what I'm doing, they are the perfect product. Thanks for joining this time. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we will be back with something else, either another tech review or an adventure in the life. And you know, we have our regular content, book club, in focus, and occasionally the brief. Take care, and we'll see you soon.